All right, I've got the outer borders of all of the blocks of color in my image traced with my pen. And I want to explain a little bit what I mean by that. So this is the image, remember, and think about printing something like this. I mean, wherever you see black is where the ink's going to go down. Wherever you see white, no ink's going to go down. So we need to have our glue on the screen wherever there's white. So therefore, when I trace my image, I'm not coloring in all this black. Like, I'm not going to use like a thick Sharpie marker and draw this big image. I mean, I guess that might be one way to do it, but the problem is you know, you really want the ink to be able to go through the fabric in the areas that are going to be black. So it's best to kind of not really mark up the fabric or color it there too much, because maybe some of that ink could transfer. But also, if it's certain kinds of ink, I mean, I don't know, maybe even some inks could clog up those really fine little pores. So really what I've done is I've just outlined every sort of area of black color, even like these little tiny, you know, bits in here. And so you'll see that when I lift the screen up now. So I'm going to lift this up, okay, and you see I just have an outline of the image. Now, what I need to do for the next step is just remember, you know, what's supposed to be ink in the printing, and so I'm not going to put glue there, but then what's supposed to be white, no ink in the printing, and that's where I'm going to put the glue. And so I have to use the image to kind of guide that. But this is where I now use my paintbrushes and my glue to just start kind of doing this. And I'll use my fine brush first to get some of the details, and then work up to larger brushes in the larger areas after that.